I'm Dr. Benzing. I'm a pediatrician with Atrium Health Levine Children. I'm originally from Asheville, North Carolina. I am married. My wife and I have been married for 9 years at this point. We were married in 2015, and then we welcomed a little boy this year, so here in 2024. He's currently 4 months old. Typically speaking, spending time with my wife and my son. My wife loves playing wheelchair tennis, so she tries to drag me out onto the tennis court as often as she can. I initially decided that I wanted to be a doctor when I was in high school. It was around my 10th grade year. At the time, I was working a lot with kids. I was working in an after-school care program, so it just seemed to make sense to combine helping people in the form of being a physician with working with kids. So I'd like to just start with an introduction, talking to the child directly. They tend to really respond well when you're talking to them. That really helps them feel a little bit more at ease and feel a little bit more calmed down. I tried to make jokes. My wife tells me I'm not very funny, but I keep trying. And sometimes it hits, sometimes it doesn't. And then as we start to go through the encounter, as I start to talk to the patient, start to talk to family, they tend to relax because I try to do my best to make sure that their concerns are being heard, that why they're there is understood. So as far as my patient care philosophy, I really view myself as a partner with parents. And there's many times, especially when I'm doing more of my anticipatory guidance, I tell the patient, my goal as a pediatrician is to make sure you're as healthy and happy as you can be when you become an adult. And so I'm really working with your parent to make sure that you're doing the best that you can when your healthcare is your own. I can do 16-hour days and days on end, as long as I'm getting to see kids and I'm still smiling, I'm still happy to get up and come to work in the morning. It's just great. It's so cool to see these kids grow up and see how they change and see how they develop and just see just kind of the open honesty that kids have. And so you get really genuine people every time they walk in the door, and it's just awesome.